Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can run Fortran instead of Windows 11. And the first thing you need to understand is that there's actually no native way to run this from Windows, right? Because this is designed basically for Linux. So you need some kind of environment to run this as if you were emulating a Linux distribution, right? Or something like that. So the first step is actually going to install one of these utilities here. And for that, we're going to Google Mink WW64, which is Windows 64. And we're just going to click on the first result, which is this one here. This is the official website. Don't worry, there's nothing scammy, you know? This is completely standard. And now you want to go into downloads here. And you want to find pre-built toolchains on here. And now, as you can see here, we have different options where we're going to be able to run this program here. But in our case, we need to go through Cygwin, okay, because we're using Windows in this case, okay. So let's click in here. Let's double click actually. And now let's click on setup.x. Let's download this file, this setup score x86 underscore 64.x. Let's click in here. Now we're just gonna go through the installation process really quick. Let's click on yes, next, install from the internet, next. And now you just want to select a mirror. You know, this is gonna depend on the availability of these files, but you know, your best option is usually gonna go with the first one. And if it doesn't work for whatever reason, just click on another one. Okay. Now let's click on next. Let's wait for the installation process to actually finish. And now what you want to do here is you want to select and install whatever package you need for your specific application. And keep in mind that you're always going to be able to do this later, right? So you don't have to bother too much about this. What's important that you actually install is the Cygwin files, which are going to be here. So let's just search for Cygwin. Let's click on base Cygwin, debug info, pretty much all of this. Okay, except for the doc documents here, for the doc packages. Okay, so we can click on this 4. You can just click on next, and it's going to be installed automatically. Okay, which I'm not going to do because I already have it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.